Here's something that might surprise you. A recent study found that just 5 grams of creatine daily improved memory and mental sharpness in adults over 60 in less than 6 weeks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't creatine that powder bodybuilders use? Well, yes, but there's a lot more to this story. For decades, creatine has been the go-to supplement for athletes and gym-goers looking to build muscle and boost performance. But researchers have discovered something fascinating. Your brain uses creatine too, and it might need more of it as you age. Today, we're diving into the real science behind creatine and cognitive health. No hype, just facts. Here's the challenge. Most people over 50 have never even considered taking creatine. Why? Because we've been taught it's only for young people pumping iron at the gym. This misconception has kept an entire generation from exploring what might be a simple, affordable way to support brain health. Meanwhile, cognitive decline affects millions of seniors. Memory lapses, mental fog, slower processing speed. We spend billions on brain games and fancy supplements with questionable ingredients. Yet creatine, one of the most studied supplements in existence, gets overlooked completely. It's time we separate the muscle-building mythology from the actual neuroscience. So, what does the research actually say? Let's start with how creatine works. Your brain cells need energy, constant energy, to function properly. Creatine helps produce that energy, especially during mentally demanding tasks. Several studies have shown promising results. Vegetarians who took creatine saw significant improvements in memory and reasoning. Makes sense since they get little to no creatine from their diet. Older adults in clinical trials experienced better recall and faster mental processing after supplementing with creatine. But here's where it gets interesting. Not every study shows the same dramatic results. Some research suggests the benefits depend on your baseline creatine levels, your diet, and even your genetics. If you already eat plenty of red meat and fish, you might not notice as much difference. The key seems to be this. Creatine may help most when your brain's energy reserves are running low. Now, here's the breakthrough finding that caught my attention. A 2023 review of multiple studies concluded that creatine supplementation appears most beneficial for aging brains under stress. What does under stress mean? Sleep deprivation, mental fatigue, age-related energy decline. Sound familiar? The researchers found that creatine doesn't just help muscle cells recover. It helps brain cells maintain their energy levels when they're working overtime. Think of it like this. Your brain is like a smartphone. As it ages, the battery doesn't hold a charge quite as well. Creatine might be like a battery booster, helping your brain maintain its power reserves throughout the day. The most compelling part? Creatine crosses the blood-brain barrier easily. It's safe, it's well tolerated, and it's been studied for over 30 years. This isn't some exotic herb with 2 studies behind it. This is solid science. So, is creatine for cognitive health real science or just hype? The answer is, it's real science, with some important nuances. Creatine may support brain energy, enhance memory, and sharpen mental processing, especially if your levels are low to begin with. But it's not a magic bullet, and more research is still needed. If you want a simple, senior-friendly plan that shows you how to use supplements wisely and naturally, download our Senior Brain and Memory Reset Plan. It walks you through foods, habits, and natural nutrients that may keep your mind sharp as you age. And if you want to know which fitness myths might be sabotaging your strength and energy right now, watch the video on your screen. You'll be surprised what you learn. One last thing, have you ever tried creatine? Drop a comment and let me know your experience.